Welcome back. The verbal duel between Babu Azgaonkar and Rajendra Arlekar is getting more and more personal. After Babu got a dig at Arlekar on a petrol pump allotted to him, Arlekar has shot back. With Arlekar's candidature getting certain for Pernem, the battle between the two politicians is becoming bitter.
Election fever is gripping. War of words have started between opposition and ruling party members, and it's getting personal day by day. This is Babu Azgaonkar getting personal with Rajendra Arlekar.
लोकांची काम करू ना पण पेट्रोल पंप उभारून घेतलो हे सगळ्यांक खबर पेट्रोल पंप कसो घेतलो तो ते बायलेक विधवा बायलेक कसो सोतून पेट्रोल पंप कसो घेतलो तो.
Now Rajendra Arlekar has shot back at Babu Azgaonkar for Babu's petrol pump comments.
म्हाका प्रश्न पेट्रोल पंप जो मेळ्ळो तो कितें भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या सरकारामुळे मेळूंक ना आनी हांव तेन्ना आमदारय नाशिल्लो. हायकोर्टान अशी खूब अपिलां आयिल्लीं ती सगळीं अपिलां सुप्रीम कोर्टान दिल्लीक मागोवन घेतली आपणा कडेन देशभरांतलीं आनी तातूंत पयल्या लॉटाच्या भितर म्हजो पेट्रोल पंप क्लियर केल्लो.
Arlekar says his ticket, candidacy and constituency will be party high command's prerogative.
पार्टीन सांगलें तुवें वास्कोच्यान लडोवपाक जाय वास्को लडय आनी खंयच्यान लडोवपाचें आसा तांणी पार्टीन सांगलें अमके कडल्यान लडय थंय लडय. पार्टीन सांगलें तुवें लडोवप ना म्हणून वी आर हॅपी विथ अवर पार्टीज डिसिजन.
Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Novenas of Father Agnel at Pilar commence from Thursday. Thousands of people flocked to the hillock to pray for the canonization of Father Agnel. The solemn mass on 19th November will be heard by Bishop of Sindhudurg, Alvin Barreto.
The novenas of Father Agnel began from Thursday. These novenas are in preparation of the 84th anniversary of Father Agnel. The novenas will go on till 19th November. Father Agnel had his high services to God and aimed at cultivating all the priestly virtues. Now, the only step left for the servant of God to be declared blessed is a miracle. One of the extraordinary favors was submitted to the diocesan scrutiny and sent to Rome, but awaits approval.
On 19th is the day of Father Agnello, and the solemn mass will be at 9:30, where Bishop Alvin Barreto, the Bishop of Sindhudurg, will be officiating. And all these days we are praying especially for one first-class miracle through the intercession of Father Agnello.
There will be 8 masses in a day, starting from 5:30 in the morning till 6:15 in the evening. 16th November is dedicated to all the sick and the old people. There will be special anointing of the sick with holy oil after the 4 p.m. liturgy. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sarvesh Verduskar.
Farmers at Pilen are flabbergasted as government has marked their famous and traditional lake as settlement zone under RP 2011. They claim that the settlement will destroy the lake and affect their farming activity. Pilen Citizens Forum has questioned as how the government can bypass Gram Sabha's resolution and mark this lake and surrounding lush green area as settlement.
This is the famous and traditional lake at Prudent. Farmers here are worried and agitated as government has marked this lake as settlement in Regional Plan 2011.
आमकां ते तोये जाय आतां आमचें आसूं न्ही तें तोये ना जाल्यार आमचो गांव पिड्यार जातलो. सगळीं हें मरोन वयतलीं झाडां बिडां सरावंडींग आहा पळय तीं ते तोयाक लागून आमकां खूब थोडाय आहा आनी शेत आमचें जातलें.
आनी हे उदकाचेर आमी आतां ह्यो आमचे हांगासर 70 घाणी ओंपताले आनी मोयकाडे ओंपताले 45 पोलतडी वांयगण तेचेरूच पळया न्हू आमचें पोट हें आतां म्हूण आतां हें उदकाक लागून कोण हें करूंक सोदिना आनी करिना आमी कोण.
Prudent Citizen Forum says government has bypassed the Gram Sabha resolution which opposed this area as settlement.
आनी आमी हें तोय सांबाळचें म्हूण आमी रेजोल्युशन घेतलेलें ग्राम सभेन कित्याक 2011 RP प्लॅन काडलेलो ह्या आख्खें तोय तेणी सेटलमेंट दाखयलेलें आख्खें तोय नात म्हूण दाखयलेलें पियांना. तो आख्खो दोंगर विच इज थीक फॉरेस्ट कवर 1,22,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर्स 1,22,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर मतायस कन्स्ट्रक्शन म्हूण सेटलमेंट दाखयला तो आख्खो दोंगर आनी आख्खो हिल स्लोप.
Forum will not tolerate the alignment of roads proposed under regional plan.
आमकां हे रस्ते 15 मीटर 20 मीटर 10 मीटर नाका कारण आमची गारां कोपेलां देवळां ही सगळे रस्त्या देगेक आसा. जरी तरी 25 मीटर 15 मीटर 10 मीटर रस्ते करीत जाल्यार आमची सगळ्यांची गारां कोपेलां देवस्थानाचे सगळे वयतले. त्या खातीर आमी मागता हे 15 मीटर आणि 10 मीटर 25 मीटर रस्ते ताबडतोब प्लॅनावले काढून दवरचे नाजाल्यार आमी आमची फुडली कारवाई करतली आमी सीएमाक सांगलेलें तसं.
A reporter from Prudent, Sham Sundar Fatti.
Anything is possible. Visually impaired students have come up with a unique fashion show with this theme. National Association for the Blind will be the first ever institute in the country to organize such a show. The show will be held on 11 November at Budgeshwar Temple in Mapsa.
The visually impaired students of the National Association for the Blind will be organizing a fashion show on 11th November. The show will consist of traditional section, ocean blue, two colors and floral segment. They will also have a monologue, laughter show, skit and dance. In all, 20 students will be participating in the program. 8 enthusiastic girls and 12 strong boys will be participating in the show. Rotary Club of Mapsa, in association with the Rotary Club of Mapsa and Stenodec Institute, are organizing the program.
The main slogan of our show is that we don't need sympathy. We need people to be proud of the disabled or the differently abled people being around. You know, it is that empathy, support, guidance, sympathy nahi.
A reporter Dipti Nagvenkar with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.